What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from Gresham Toyota, your gateway to adventure. Talking to me about the beautiful Sienna behind me, 2020 XLE all-wheel drive. This one has navigation package as well as all-weather floor mats. Let's start by taking a look at our window sticker and getting an idea of the pricing. MSRP on this one coming in at $42,914. Again, optional equipment is your navigation package and all-weather floor mats. All these all-wheel drive Siennas are going to come with run flat tires, no spare tire. We do have Toyota Star safety system and Toyota Safety Sense equipped on this vehicle. Up front, we've got fog lights, your projector beam headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, the all-wheel drive badging there. This one's an XLE, so we do have full advanced keyless entry, but we also have all power doors. Really big well in the back for cargo if the seats are in use. With them down, we have an amazing amount of cargo capacity in the Sienna. Three seating positions with seat belts for the rear row. Second row, captain's chairs. These can slide forward and back, of course, recline. We do have a built-in inverter in this van, as well as some fast charging USB ports, additional cup holders down below. This is the Parisian Night Pearl with ash leather interior, power passenger and driver seat. Of course, all your power options, push button start. Up here is where you can control the power doors from inside the van. Of course, we got a moonroof as well. Home link in the rearview mirror for your garage door openers. Again, that 3-zone climate control. Automatic transmission, of course. Cruise control with adaptive cruise, lane departure warning, Bluetooth for your cell phone, parking sensors. We also have Android Auto now and Apple CarPlay integrated into your touchscreen stereo system with factory navigation as well. Heated front seats. Pull-up sunshades in the rear. All in all, really, really nice minivan. And of course, the only one on the market with all-wheel drive. If you have any questions, please hit me up at the number below. If you enjoyed the video, I'd love it if you subscribe to the channel and hit that thumbs up. Have a great day.